Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how to draw white or grey long beard in an easy method. You can see I have already drawn almost all parts of the portrait except the beard. Here I'm using two methods to draw a beard. Let's see which method will work. The very first one is using mandala tool, or you can use an empty pen also. Please check the description for the required art materials. I have added all the art materials link here, which I am going to use in this video. If you want to know how to draw an outline of a portrait in an easy method, please click on the iCard, or if you want to know about the pencil shading, please check my playlist or click this iCard. Okay, now let's start the video. I don't think this method will work, but still trying this, and I'll hope for the best. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I think this method doesn't work. We can see very tiny hairs here that will not give you a realistic look to our portrait. Let's try another method using white gel pens. portrait like this, it won't look realistic, right? To make our portrait more realistic, we have to apply a little bit of graphite powder on it using makeup brush. You can make a graphite powder by yourself just by scratching a graphite pencil on the sandpaper. If you like my art, please hit a like button and support my art. If you are watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and press a bell icon for more updates. Please comment your opinions. It will motivate me to do more artworks. Thanks for watching.